Hi, welcome to Keeprix channel. Want to watch exciting content from Disney Plus anytime, anywhere? Use Keeprix video downloader to easily download your favorite Disney movies and shows. Follow the tutorial step by step. Launch Keeprix video downloader on computer. Please select the Disney Plus platform, or you can paste the Disney Plus video URL to access the video directly. Log in to your account. Enter your account and password. Browse all downloadable TV shows and movies. Search by title to access the video and you'll see the search results. Click the download button. Select resolution, audio, subtitles, and output path. Once you're ready, hit download. Or you can check the download progress in your download list. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Use the pause, re-download, or cancel buttons to manage your downloads. Now you can enjoy your Disney Plus shows wherever you go, on flights, road trips, or just relaxing at home. Thanks for watching.